One of Jamaica's biggest legend, Wailer, is now dead. He died this morning a bit after 8 o'clock. And I want to say condolences to Wailer and his family. Wailer was one of the biggest reggae artists in Jamaica. He held the baton going for Bob Marley. Bob Marley died a while back, and he and Wailer and also Peter Touch, they were members of what they called the Wailers. So they combined together and they formulate a group of individuals that is brilliant. They were gifted, and I wish a lot of Jamaicans would take light to what these persons did for us and also shine as bright as they did or even brighter, because potential like this will bring us as African to a higher state of consciousness and awareness towards life. Life is not how it always seems. So you got to shape it and make your dream within a reality. Reality is what is in front of you. So shape it well for a better generation, for a better tomorrow. Do it now, not tomorrow. Do it while you got the chance. Wailer, your name will always be remembered. You will always be remembered. And your phrase for life is gone but not forgotten. Just as Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, the great King Selassie, and Prince Emmanuel. That is not what most people take it for either. I have never seen anything die. I have seen things change form. So, while Peter Touch, Bob Marley, and now Wailer body has died, person might be saying they're dead. Well, they're correct. Their body is dead. But I think your mind is divine, and no one nor nothing know what your mind is. Your mind is not your brain. Your mind is not your heart. Your mind is connected to your avatar self, that is your body. Or you can call your body a vehicle, which your mind is connected to. A doctor, a scientist, a journalist, nor whoever the person may be, they cannot detect where your mind is. Your mind is divine. So while the body is gone, I don't know what happened next. But Peter Touch, Bob Marley, King Selassie, that's the reason people continue to say they live. But what we don't know, we should not try to bend. We cannot bend nature to how we want it. Things exist outside of our understanding. And as far as I can see, if you cut a tree down, it's not dead. You will see the log line there. So you change its format. And whenever a man is dead, the body is still there, if you want to put it that way. All sorts of insects will eat and feed from that body, and the body will change into all sorts and all different shape. So if you understand what I'm saying, I don't perceive death as most people do. But your body is not you. That's as far as I know. So my condolences once more. Continue to listen, share, subscribe. Ashe.